Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today is something super easy, but it constantly gets overlooked, and it's to do with our website. If you guys go to our website and you guys are looking to sign up for the KevCAM night class and stuff like that, it's not going to actually be in here. Or if you don't see it in there, come up to the very top and make sure you guys are on the U.S. English flag here, not the flag over here. You want to click on this U.S. English flag right here. And this is going to open up some more options for you guys. And like I said, if you guys are watching this on YouTube in a foreign country, definitely make sure you have your flag up there. But for all the guys that are in the United States, definitely make sure you have that American flag up there. And now you'll see there's some unlocked features using the American flag versus the other English flag that's there. So just wanted to kind of show that out to you guys. There's a lot of stuff that gets overlooked that you guys are looking for on the site, and it's a lot of times just because you don't have the American flag up here. So just wanted to show you that for today's tip of the day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow with the KevCAM tip of the day. Thanks, guys. Have a great night. Bye-bye.